This is the second method on how to tie bow gele by yourself. I've already done the first method, so please check my page, my previous post. You're going to see the first method. So this is a shoke and the width is 24 inches, the length is 57 inches. So I started by pleating it. The measurement I'm using here is 90-10. So once I'm done pleating, I'll place it on my head and arrange it. So at this point, if you want the back to be open, it is optional, you can do it now, but mine, I want to cover the back so you can see what I'm doing now. I'm folding in the edges. So the next thing now, I'm going to be knotting it at this center now. Once I knot it, you'll see the next thing I'm going to be doing. So watch and learn and always practice so that you can be able to tie this by yourself. All right, so this is the back now. I'm arranging it. So this center here, this place that is open, I'm going to cover it and secure it with a pin. Once I'm done doing that, I'll be working at this front here. So if today is the first time you are coming across my video, please follow this page for more head wrap, because you are going to be learning a lot from me. That is the aim of this page. I'm here to guide you so that you can be able to tie your head wrap by yourself. So watch what I'm doing now. Now the remaining from the 90, see the way I pleated, then I now folded it into two. So the one that remained from the 10, now see how I'm going to arrange it properly, then take it up. Watch, I'll take it up, then tuck it in. See the way I'm going to tuck it in. I'll tuck it in, then use pin to secure that place to be sure. So I'm using pin now to secure it. Once I'm done securing here, I'm going to form the first bow so that I can be able to measure with this other side to see the size and the length of it. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. I'm done arranging that side now. So this other side, see the next thing I'm going to do, I'll repeat the same thing. I'll pleat, then fold it. As I'm folding it, I'm watching this other side to make sure that they are of the same size and length. Okay, I'll fold it, then use pin to secure that place. I'll bring my hand down again, continue to fold, use pin to secure. Once I'm done securing it, the next thing is to arrange it. You can see it is very easy, very simple. Just follow my step and you're going to do it. You're going to learn how to tie it by yourself. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends, your family. As you're sharing it, you're helping other people to be able to tie their head wrap by themselves. That is why I am here. I'm here to teach you, to guide you on how to tie your head wrap by yourself. Alright? Thank you very much for sharing this video for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you for following this page. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for learning. I really appreciate. This is the end product of it. How do you see it? Write it at the comment section after watching. This is the back. I hope you love it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.